Show a message on screen like Iman Gadzhi in Premiere Pro. With the rectangle tool, click in the preview and drag to create a rectangle. Now in the Essential Graphics panel, set corner radius to 60 and set fill color to white. Drag the icon you want on top of the shape, then adjust its size and position. You can use the Type tool to create text. Here I use 2 different texts. To add glow to the message, first hold down the Alt key and drag it to the above layer to duplicate it. In the Effects panel, search for Gaussian blur and drag it into the bottom message. Select it and set blurriness to 40. Now select both messages, right-click on one of them, and select Nest. Select the nested sequence, and move the playhead to the start. Click on the stopwatch next to position and opacity to create starting keyframes. Decrease position second value to move the card a little above its current position and set opacity to 0. Hold down the Shift key and press the right arrow key 3 times to go forward 15 frames and set opacity to 100 and increase position second value a little bit. Move the playhead to the position you want to start hiding the message and click on the circle buttons. Move forward 15 frames, increase position second value, and set opacity to 0 to create the last keyframes. Select all the keyframes, right-click on one of them, and add ease in and ease out to them. I also use these sound effects at the start and end of the animation to make it nicer. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.